Wow. This is corn on the cob, guys. Fresh, boiled. All right. A couple yellow right there. This is a limited edition. Actually, one more. One more yellow. 3 yellow. It's one of the kind. Look at that. I'm gonna show you guys how Asian people eat it with condensed milk. Recording? All right, cut it. Extract it from the cob. Right here. Sprinkle a little bit. Some sweet condensed milk. From this pool of chili oil underneath. So oddly enough, there is a strange balance. It's unique. It's something different. I'm not sure I could see myself craving something like this. Do you like it? That's how Cambodian people eat this. Cambodian me, though. My wife's Cambodian too. She don't eat like this. She eat like regular people, I guess. Okay. Mix it together. I wish I had sesame. I do, but I need to toast it. That muscle is very well developed in the rabbit. Rabbits are eating grass all the time, so you see a big pile of them. But when you try it out with a little bit of a buzz, it's not so bad. Those here love rabbit. China really runs on pork. It's everywhere and in everything. Right here, we have a boiled or braised pig brain. Okay. But in a country this massive, with hundreds of ethnicities, religions, and cultures, and they cut down the volume too. Cut down the volume too. Where's the? I don't even All right. Here you go. Corn with condensed milk plus sugar. It's very sweet. Extra sweet. Good as 10 out of 10.